Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to add a volunteer form in Wix. To get started, scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link provided. This will take you to JotForm, a web-based service that enables users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. JotForm offers a drag-and-drop form builder and over 150 integrations with popular apps. It also provides a wide range of templates and themes to customize your forms. Whether you need to collect registrations, payments, or conduct surveys, JotForm has got you covered. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you've successfully created your JotForm account, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now, to add a volunteer form to your Wix website, the first step is to create a volunteer form. You can do this by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or at the top left side of the dashboard. Once you click on it, you will be presented with 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create Assignable Document. For this tutorial, we will choose the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. This selection will take you to the template library. In the template library, you can search for the keyword volunteer in the search bar. Upon doing so, all the available templates for volunteer forms will appear. You can choose any of these templates according to your preference. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will select the form called Volunteer Application Form. By clicking on the Use Template option, you will be directed to the editor where you can manage and customize the template as desired. However, in this case, we simply want to demonstrate how to embed it into your Wix site. To add the volunteer form to your Wix website, navigate to the Publish section in order to copy the embed code for your volunteer form. In the left menu, click on the Embed section, where you will find a Copy Code button. Clicking on this button will copy the necessary code that you need to embed the volunteer form. After copying the embed code, open your Wix account and navigate to your existing sites that you have already created. Choose the site where you want to embed the volunteer form. Once your Wix site is opened, you will find yourself on the editor. In the top left menu, click on the plus button symbolizing Add Elements. This action will open the left sidebar. Within the left sidebar, locate and click on the Embed Code option. Upon clicking on the Embed Code option, you will be presented with various embedding options. Choose the Embed HTML option. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the code that you previously copied from the JotForm Volunteer Application Form page's Published section. Enter the code into the designated field in the pop-up window and then click on the Update button. This action will fetch the volunteer form and integrate it into your Wix site. Close the pop-up window and make any necessary adjustments to the placement and design of the volunteer form on your website according to your requirements. Once you have made the desired adjustments, the volunteer form will be officially embedded into your Wix site. To preview how the volunteer form looks like, click on the Preview button located at the top right side of the editor. By following these steps, you can successfully add and customize a volunteer form on your Wix website, making it easily accessible for potential volunteers to submit their information. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take